me out Dirty, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be attempting this look I found off of Pinterest. I'm not really gonna do all that talking, but I just wanted to give you guys an intro with me talking in it. Normally I just skip right through when we get into it, but I want to start incorporating me speaking so you can get some of my personality, because honey, I have a lot of it. Okay, you know, I'm working on it. It's not as easy. I'm telling you, it's not easy at all when you first get on camera. But you know, y'all want to see the real, raw, and uncut, and that's what I'm gonna give you. And y'all gonna see my growth as well as I get more and more comfortable behind the camera. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. Okay, so first, y'all, will be going in with a dark brown eyebrow pencil. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera just to save some time. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows or want to learn yourself, I do have a video on that. Make sure you click down below in the description box that link, and I will have it there for you so you can go straight to it. So now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. camo concealer. I was watching Kidda Beauty's video and she comes out with some bomb makeup looks, and she was using the e.l.f. camo concealer, so I want to try it out and see if it gets these colors popping. It was $6 at Target. This is what it looks like. I'm going to apply this to my lids to give my eyeshadow a good base so that the colors can come out more pigmented. So now that I have done my eyeshadow base, I am going to go in with my Revolution X Alexis Stone palette. I'm going to take the darkest purple shade here with the small blending brush, and I'm just going to create that as my transition color. So now that I've done the purple, I have kind of buffed it out at the top so that when I put this pink shade down, it could blend together seamlessly. So I'm going to go in with this second pink, and then I'm going to lay this right on top of the edges of the purple so that I can fade it out and it can blend kind of seamlessly. I'm going to take a clean brush and go back in, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm blending those colors together. So when I cut the crease, I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease. But when I cut my crease, I'm going to make sure that I do not extend the base all the way to the corner of my eye. I don't want to do that because I want to leave some of that purple to go back in. So now that I cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the green. So the green that I'm going to go in with, y'all, I'm so happy about this. I got the new, well, it ain't really new, but it's new to me. I got the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. Oh, I can't even say it correctly because I'm so excited. I got the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. The green that I'm going in with is this one right here. And I'm going to do that in the front inner corner of my eye. So now I'm going to go in with the blue. And the blue that I'm using is from the James Charles X Morphe palette. This blue right here. I know it looks kind of crazy on camera, but trust me, it's blue. So this is a blue. This is the green I just used. This is a blue. I think I'm going to go in with this on top of the blue that I just put from the James Charles palette, just to tone it down a little bit and make it blend a little more with the green. I should have just used this in the first place, but I didn't swatch it good enough, so I didn't think it was going to work, but I was wrong. Some of these brushes that I'm using are the same brushes, and I bought this shadow switch makeup brush cleaner, and all you do is take the brush that you use, swirl it around in here, and it comes out clean. And I am curious about is how the heck do you clean this? Like, are you supposed to clean this? I don't know. I'm going to extend the top here a little bit just because I feel like I went in a little heavier on this side to make it more symmetrical. Like I said, y'all, this is an attempt. I'm trying my best to get better and better each time. Sometimes you got to lose to win, and ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay, y'all, so I just extended the camo concealer so that I can put some more of that blue so it can be even. That looks a little more better than it did before. What y'all think? And I'm just gonna darken that crease up, or not the crease but the outer corner up. So y'all, I'm back from putting on my lashes and my liner. The look is looking so good so far. I can't even lie to you. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation by Juvia's Place in the shade Gabon. And I use the adhesive glue by Duo Dark Tone. I know some people use the weave glue, you know, so whatever you want to do, personal preference. Sometimes I might use that and see how it works, but I do not like the smell of that hair glue. It just smells like fish to me, but whatever, get the job done. But man, yeah, this one don't smell the best. Let's go ahead and go in with the foundation. And the beauty blender that I'm going to use is the one by Morphe. I got this from Ulta for like $8. Just do what works for you. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, we are all different. The way you might get this look may not be the way I got this look. But we still gonna be looking cute, so. I forgot to tell y'all what lashes I use. I use the Broadway lashes. It comes in like this blue pack. It's from the Beauty Supply, local Beauty Supply, and it is the 3D lash black 09. And like I said, it comes in this little blue little pack here. Going in with the Ruby Kisses HD concealer and foundation in the shade Warm Honey. Just going back in with that same beauty blender that I used for my foundation. I'm just going to start buffing this out. And I like to start at the bottom and then work my way into my under eye, just because I don't want to cake that underneath my eye and for it to create like this line when I go back in with the Sacha Buttercup powders. Sacha Buttercup powder right on top of that concealer. And I don't want to bring this up all the way close to my eye either, because like I said, I don't want to create that line. Contour, I'm going to go in with my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha, and this is how it looks. I think this is like the older design, so it might look a little different. Same thing, but I'm going to use this to contour. For my nose contour, I'm going to go in with this black pink concealer. It's the Ultra HD Cream Concealer, and I got this from a beauty supply as well. And that black Opal foundation stick you can get from, I believe, Walmart for sure. Maybe Target too, but I definitely know you can get that from Walmart. So now I'm going to just dust away that powder that I did underneath my eyes. And then sometimes I like to press in the powder, the excess that I wiped off. So now, as you can see, you can kind of see where my contour and my concealer meets. I don't want that, so to just buff it out so we don't have any of those harsh lines. Take away that nose powder, and I'm gonna let this sit there just because I like to have that effect, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away that excess powder underneath my cheek. I kind of swipe just a little bit so some of that definition can go away. I don't need all of that, I just need a little something. And I'm just going to blend out that so there's no harsh lines with your contour. This is the Pro Touch Makeup Setting Spray by Kiss. I'm gonna go in with my highlight, and it is the Royalty 2 highlighter. I'm going in with my highlight, alright, but I'm using a contouring brush, and the reason being is that I like a heavier application, just because when you do a very precise line, that line tends to stay there and it doesn't buff out. So this will allow me to buff out not only that, but I'll be able to get more product onto the area that I'm applying it to. The highlight, I'm also going to buff it out a little bit. Don't want to see where we applied it at. We want to make sure that it's seamless. Everything needs to be flawless, and it all takes time, so you just gotta take your time with it. I'm not even at a perfection level yet, but I'm definitely getting there, and I'm not gonna stop. Hey, look at that. Don't play with me. I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner, and I'm gonna kind of create a nude lip. I'm gonna go in with this. So now that I did my lips, I'm gonna go in with this matte lip from ColourPop, and it is in the shade Limbo. I know y'all like, girl, that did not go with this eye look at all. It's okay, trust me. So now I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D, the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, the shades Bow and Arrow. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with this, y'all, I don't even know who this from. It didn't rubbed off, but I got this from the beauty supply too. This was the Kat Von D. This is what that looked like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, somewhat chit chat tutorial type of flow. Like I said, y'all, I'm just trying to talk more in my videos to show y'all a little bit more of my personality, so y'all actually have something to subscribe to instead of me just getting right into it. But hey, we just gonna grow with it. We just gonna grow with it. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, and make sure most importantly you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the grind, because I am on my way up. I'm not stopping. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep flowing. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.